Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the error where your model does not appear to be calculating correctly, even though you are changing your input assumptions. So in this example, I have our commercial development template open. And right now, what I'm going to try to do is change a couple inputs and see how that affects the model. Right now, we have our return metrics based on the inputs already preloaded. If I were to change our construction loan to cost from 70% to 65, you'll notice that it's creating these strike throughs throughout the model for all the returns. So two reasons could be causing this. The main is that calculations are likely turned off and or iterations are turned off. So the easiest fix in most models is on the inputs tab within the control panel, there will be this enable iterations button. If you click that, that usually fixes it. But as we can see in this case, it did not. Sometimes, again, as Microsoft pushes out updates, they change the way that the iterations calculations have to be enabled. So if that button does not work for you, again, depending on your computer as well, you can click, you can do it manually by clicking File in the top left corner, coming down to Options in the bottom left. And on this new interface, go to the Formula section. And we can see here that my iterations are actually enabled. You want to make sure this box is checked, but my calculations are turned off. So if I change this to automatic and ensure that this is checked and hit OK, we'll see now the model is calculating and it's iterating. And now my model will calculate correctly. And if I go and change it again to say 60%, we can see that it updates perfectly fine every time. Another place you can check for just the calculations is within the formulas ribbon at the top over to calculation options. And then you can also change it from manual to automatic here as well. If you want to do iterations, you do have to go through the method I showed you previously. And that's it. Thank you.